Let's discuss destructuring of arrays and objects in JavaScript. So, destructuring is a way or a phenomena we can say in JavaScript using which we can unpack the values in an array or properties of an object into distinct variables at a time. Uh, we usually have multiple values in arrays and objects, right? So we if instead of assigning the values of an array one by one to every variable, using this destructuring we can assign values of arrays or properties of objects to several variables in one statement itself. So we will first see destructuring of arrays in JavaScript. So I'll just comment out these lines. So we see I have declared an array with 5 elements here, and the name of the array is arr. I want all the values, these 5 values, into 5 variables named a b c d and e into basically I want all these values into the 5 variables a b c d e. So usually what we do is we might, like, let's just do let a equal to a of 0. Like we will be doing one by one, we will be assigning values or to variables one by one, arr of 0. So but like this will take us 5 lines of code, but using this destructuring in a single line we have done this. So we just have to this is the syntax. In square brackets we need to write all the 5 variables in which we need, and then we can put the value of the array here, arr. So and then we print ab all the values abc. I'll just clear my screen. So all these values are printed. Now suppose we don't want the fourth value, this fourth one, so we can just omit this variable and put and just that, let that space be blank. So these will just have the 4 values. Sorry, I didn't comment out this a b c and e. Yeah. So in the destructuring syntax, we just have to keep that space between the commas, between those two commas is empty, and yeah. So I got 1, 2, 3, 5. I'll clear my screen. So this is array destructuring. Now we will be studying object destructuring. So this is an object I have created, and it has 3 properties named A, B, and C. Now I want to take all the values of these a b c into 3 variables a b and c. A b c I just write this way, let a b c, and then I just equate it to object, and when I print I should get my values. Yeah, I got the object properties abc in these 3 variables. Now this syntax basically, this works only when the object property, these variables names, should be exactly same as the property names. Then this is going to work and I get the output. What if I don't want to store it in these variable names, the same variables name? I want to store in xyz variable names, I don't want abc. Then what we need to do is we basically need to tell the JavaScript engine that the value of a I need to store in x. This is the syntax: a value of a colon, and x b colon y c colon z and obj, and then I can access the variables x, y, and z. See, I get 1, 2, 3. Now, again, in this case, if I do not want any variable, if I do not want the b variable, so I can just omit it. This here we need not put the empty, because here we are specifying the um, name of the property as well. So here we have a greater flexibility. Yeah, so I get 1 and 3. So this is object and array destructuring in JavaScript.